spoken about and given webinars about Positivity Unlimited. You in fact suggested 4 things to come out of a cycle of pessimism and depression. Would you like to tell our viewers about these 4 factors?
As I said, the first thing we must know that this is a temporary phase we are going through. It's a challenge. When you know this is not going to last forever, it's a momentary thing. It's for a few days or few months or maybe a year or so, and we get the strength to move on. Number one, see life from a broader perspective and see this as a passing phase of it. Number one. Second is, as I have said earlier, don't keep sulking with your own sorrow. Wake up and see on all sides there is suffering. So share your problem with others and be open to sharing the other's problem. That will give you also a lot of relief and hope to live. This is the time to turn inward. Meditation will give you the answer. Meditation is the answer, in fact, and you will turn yourself into you can turn into the philosophy of life through this. Instead of sulking and being depressed, turn your mind to philosophy, self-inquiry, and creating awareness. Death wakens you up, awake to the call of truth, to the call of nature. This is the third thing I would say. Fourth thing I would here mention is, this is the time to look for ways to overcome the situation. So put your attention on something creative. You have time. Say for creativity, you have to be by yourself. Now during lockdown and when you are in isolation, either waste your time doing some meaningless things or thinking or putting your attention on creating something new.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Finally, you just mentioned about the Kar Seva, which is the essence of Sikh philosophy, and that they help everyone alike. And you just mentioned, that Sikh or non-Sikh, they do not discriminate on the basis of religion, class, caste, nothing, no divisions. Explain that to us a bit.
Shankaracharya himself, Adi Shankaracharya said, Jati neti kula gotra duragam, nama rupa guna dosha varjitam. Beyond name and form and jati, kula, gotra, family, status, you are all part of one Brahman, one divinity, one unseen, eternal, formless Brahman, the divinity that the whole world is made up of. And this is exactly what the Sikh Dharma also propagates. Is one Amurat, unmanifest, Akal Purush. It is there, but it is beyond time, who is not visible. That unmanifest Brahman, the whole Brahma Jnana is in the Sikh tradition. This knowledge helps one to see beyond caste, creed, whatever seed we sow from the childhood, that's what grows up in life as we grow older. And this sort of seed has been sown in the Sikh tradition in every household, to see beyond discriminations and bring everyone together. Sabko gale lagana, that embracing everyone, that broad-heartedness, that commitment to seva, it's really something that is an example for the world to watch.
Yes, now we are looking forward to coming and giving you also a proper jhappi. Thank you very much. We'll give you a jhappi soon when this is all over. Thank you for being with us.
My jhappi comes flying to you.
Okay.
Namaskar.